I am wearing one of my favorite GShock Watch from last year, 2019. Let's begin. Morale asks, great shots, thank you. You're welcome. Are you Japanese? Nope. Hi bro, I have a GSTB 100, don't know where to buy the belt for my watch through online. Getting a watch band for GShock Watch is a bit hard because of the weird size, and also if you were to customize them, it is also tricky because it uses screw bar instead of spring bar. But you could buy them directly from spareparts.com, the best site that I know of to get for parts, or you could just look for them from eBay, from your Japan auction, from resellers. Sometimes people buy the watch and they swap the band and they don't need the original one anymore, and they will sell that. But remember, the price won't be cheap. How do you fully charge the battery? Can we charge it using LED flashlight from the phone and leave it all night to charge fully? I was planning to make a video on how to charge your solar powered GShock watch, but then again my buddy from WatchUp69 has already done it, so I will link to his video down in the description box so you guys could watch them, where he basically tests out a lot of light source and then you could decide which one fits the best. Also check your manual book as well, because Casio do states on how many hours that is required to fully charge your GShock watch in a certain stage. I'm looking for a tough and great functional G-Shock, and I'm confused between GGB100 and Rangeman GW9400. Will you help me, or please recommend a good watch under 500 bucks? Thank you and happy new year. If you're looking for brand new, then get a GW9400. But if you're looking at used G-Shock watch, I would recommend to get also GW9400 because it is overall just much better. But then again, if you require Bluetooth, if you live in a place where you didn't receive any one of those multiband 6 signal, there's no point of getting GW9400 because you cannot use that even you paid for it. A Bluetooth connection would be a lot better in your case. So know where you live and know what you are looking for. This one has much more functions, although it will drain a lot of battery because it is not solar powered, but swapping the battery is so easy. If you don't want to go through all of those inconvenience process, just get a GW9400 Rangeman. I'm very sure a lot of you guys will recommend the same, and spend the rest of the cash and get something like this or other beater GShock watch. Bro, I live in India. Is it possible to get the items there safely without getting harassed by the customs? Also, the watch are genuine bought from the websites. Of course, all of the models that you saw from Japan, most of them are original, but recently I've been seeing some sellers that cannot differentiate between a genuine or fakes, and then they just sells it. That is why I'm making a lot of video on the channel. I already made like over the 800 videos for you guys to refer to before you make your purchase. Look at how they look like, look at all the details, how they works, the interior construction. Understand the watch first, and then you will have a rough idea whether a watch is original or not before you buy one. Second, getting harassed by customs. So this is pretty common depending on where you live. What your local custom are looking for is cash. That's all there is. If you pay them, by the rules of course, they will let you go. That's it, just pay them. I believe that's the reason why they harass your parcel. They want to see what's inside so they could inspect the items and demand for cash. That's all there is. If you pay them, good to go. I found it really hard to get all of those small dust out of the watch when we reassemble. This is a dust blower. That is all to it. But if you want to disassemble a GShock watch, make sure to get a high quality one like this one. Look at the nozzle. The nozzle is really thin, which means it will give out a really strong burst of air. Basically, the air intake will be at the top. Common tools will have an air intake at the back, which means you cannot actually hold it like so and add a lot of force without blocking the air intake. In this case, it is at the front, so you could just hold it like that and blow the dust out. And also, it will stand up like that, so it won't go anywhere. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from here, and keep in mind, I do not know all the things about GShock. I'm just sharing what I knew about it. How about just listen? Thank you very much for watching. This is GShock, and